What's up guys, this is Tampatec. Today we're doing something very creative, and thanks to At Games for sending me this board. This is the Legends Connect board. We're going to do something that I don't think has ever been done before, and we're going to take this Legends Connect board and we're going to install it in a TV and make the TV a video game console TV. The Legends Connect board is going to be released later on this year, near the end of November, and it will be available to you guys. But I'm just showing you in this video what the possibilities are for this Legends Connect board. This board and you is only limited to your imagination. Check out the link below for the Legends Arcade products and to purchase. Also check out the Legends Connect projects in the near future at P-Dub's Arcade Loft channel. Here's the power port right here. It does come with a power adapter, which is 12 volts, 5 amps. Right here is the HDMI output. We're going to plug that into one of the HDMI inputs on my TV. And we got an Ethernet port, but I'm going to try using the Wi-Fi and see how that works. And then right here, there's a USB port, but we're going to use the SS USB port, and we're going to plug it into a hub. I have this mini USB. This is a 16 gig mini USB loaded with games. Super Nintendo games, old school Nintendo games, Sega Genesis games, and even arcade classics. Got the power adapter on using double-sided tape. I'll plug in the power. Well, it's not really plugged in because I didn't plug it into an outlet. And next, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the HDMI cable. Alright, and I ran that like this to HDMI 3. Here we go. And next, we're going to plug in the USB cables. This is for player 1 and player 2. So I got Sega Genesis games on here, Super Nintendo, old school Nintendo games, even arcade classics like Frogger. So imagine having a TV that has built-in consoles from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. And I got this connected to a smart switch. So I just tell my Google to turn on the TV, and it turns on the surge protector 6-way power strip. So this is my light bar right here. I'm going to get a light gun later on. My old light gun broke, stopped working. So I'm going to wait until At Games releases their light gun. And that plugs into the 4-way hub right here. And my controllers, the Xbox controller, player 1 or player 2. And my light gun will go here. Also, I could put my add-on games, plug my add-on games right here, and that would work as well. But as of right now, I have my add-on games plugged directly into the board. Alright, so I have my Xbox controller. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into that 4-way hub. Alright, let's go down, change my input, and test it out. So this is the Legends Connect. This is the interface. And under games, you have 20 games, 10 games here. And then the second page, you have 10 more games. And then ArcadeNet was where you could stream games and play with your friends online using a Bluetooth headset, which is really cool. And they have about 50 games, as you can see right here and here. Some decent games. Fatal Fury, some pretty good retro games. Metal Slug is a great 2-player game. And some more games. And King of Fighters is a great game. So this is a free beta. You can stream using ArcadeNet service, which is really cool. Bring your own games, BYOG. You could go ahead and plug in your USB drive with your games on it. I have 130 games. So to access that, I just jumped out. There we go. Just click on add-on by hitting A, and then go down, click on your folder, and these are all my games I have on my USB thumb drive. Let's try Frogger. And to start, you just hit start. So let's get out of that and let's go ahead and try to stream a local game from my PC. So to do that, I have to download ArcadeNet app on my PC. Alright, so I activated ArcadeNet link on my PC. It's running fine. I allowed it to run through my antivirus firewall, and it should work on my TV now through the Connect board. Alright, so to refresh, you just go back to settings and go back to BYOG. There it is. It recognized it. And you want to make sure you are on the same network. So connect to the same wireless router. Right now the Connect board is connected wirelessly to the router, but my desktop computer is hardwired using Ethernet cable connected to that same router. So if you want better streaming experience, then have both connected hardwired. Hit A to start that up. There we go, that's my PC. Best to use a keyboard. So I'm using a wireless keyboard and a USB adapter that's plugged into the 4-way hub. Alright, and if you hold down escape, that pulls up the menu right here. Now you want to open up Steam in big picture mode. Now make sure you open up this in big picture mode, and you just click on that and make sure it says big picture mode. So I am going to play a game. Not all games are compatible, by the way, but this game is, I know for sure. So let's play Streets of Rage 4. It's so cool! I got a Legends Connect Steam TV. Alright, so we got 5 players to choose from. I'm gonna pick Axel. audio is a little bit off. That's probably because I'm on Wi-Fi instead of hardwired Ethernet cable connection. But the game is running at 60 frames per second. The audio just slightly off. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that might find this video interesting, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.